Lesson 3 from Beginning Latin by John Edmund Bars. Read for the LibriVox Language Learning Collection, Volume 3. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Recording by Nicholas James Bridgewater. Lesson 3. Interrogative sentences, adjectives. 25. Questions with ne. Declarative sentences in Latin may be made interrogative by adding the syllable ne to the most emphatic word. Thus, does Sulla fear Marius? Timet ne sulla Marium? A word so attached is called an enclitic. Observe that the does of the English is not translated. 26. Questions with nonne. When the question contains a non, the ne must be attached to that word. Thus, does not Sulla fear Marius? Nonne sulla Marium timet? The word to which the ne is attached generally stands first. 27. Exercise. Write using the principles explained in 25 and 26. 1. Have the lieutenants friends? 2. Do the friends see the gate? 3. Does not the girl see the gate? 4. Has not the town a wall? 5. Has not the lieutenant a friend? 28. Adjectives. Adjectives in Latin have endings which indicate their gender, number, and case. The gender, number, and case of an adjective must be the same as that of the noun which it modifies. Thus, nominative or accusative neuter singular, magnum oppidum, a large town. Nominative plural, multae portae, many gates. 29. Adjectives of the first and second declension. There are two classes of adjectives in Latin, adjectives of the first and second declension, and adjectives of the third declension. Adjectives of the first and second declension have endings as follows. A. The masculine endings are the same as those of masculine nouns of the second declension. B. The feminine endings are the same as those of nouns of the first declension. C. The neuter endings are the same as those of neuter nouns of the second declension. Review these endings as given in 19 and 20. 30. Exercise. Make a table like the following, putting in the blank spaces the proper forms of the adjective magnus, large, great. 31. Exercise. Copy the Latin of the following exercise. A. Adding to each noun its proper termination according as it is subject or object, singular or plural. B. Adding to each adjective its proper termination according to the rules given in 29. C. Adding to each verb the termination t, if its subject is singular, nt, if its subject is plural, and putting all verbs last in their sentences. The numbers under the nouns indicate the declension. Gender is indicated by the letters M, F, N, whenever it would not be clear from the rules given in 18 to 20 whether the word is masculine, feminine, or neuter. Has, habe, the large, magn, town, oppid, second neuter, many, mult, gates, port, first. 2. Many, mult, towns, oppid, have, habe, deep, alt, ditches, foss, first. 3. He, not expressed, give verb termination for singular subject, is besieging, uppugna, the same as besieges in Latin, the small parw, town, oppid, second neuter. 4. The lieutenants, legat, second masculine, besiege, oppugna, few, pauk, towns, oppid, second neuter. 5. They, not expressed, give verb termination for plural subject. See, vide, the high, alt, and, et, long, long, walls, mur, second masculine. 32. Exercise. First learn the vocabulary. 1. Habetne Romanus gladium longum. 2. Magna oppida multas portas habent. 3. Puellae parvae fossam altam vident. 4. Nonne oppida altas et latas portas habent. 5. Parvum oppidum portas paucas et parvas habet. 33. Rule 3. An adjective agrees in case, gender, and number with the word which it modifies. End of Lesson 3 from Beginning Latin by John Edmund Bars.